Today class is Python casting. Python casting means specify a variable type. Means specify a variable type. Variable type. So first discuss introduction. There may be times when you want to specify a type for to a variable. This can be done with casting. So it is called casting. Python is a object-oriented language and as such it uses classes to define data types, including its primitive types like int, float, and string. These are the data types. First one, int. Only let's discuss one example. Integer. Integer means constructs an integer number from an integer literal. A float literal by removing all decimals like 2.0. End of the decimals remove. That is called typecasting. What is the output? 2. Output is 2. I will show you in an example also. So, are a string literal providing the strings represents a whole number. So it is called integer. I will show you example integer. A equal to 2.0. This is a float number. Print of this is wrong. One more time. A equal to integer int of 2.0. Print of A. What will get output? 2. This is the typecasting. Because of before mentioned integer. So output is 2. This is the here also I am writing A equal to integer 2.0. Print of A output 2. This is a typecasting.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.